Question number 1. A thermal flask stores hot water and can keep warm for a long time. Explain the use of the stopper and the foam 發泡膠. Since the temperature of hot water inside is larger than the temperature of the air outside, therefore heat will lost to the surrounding. We say radiation will be emitted by the hot water to the surrounding. In order to keep the hot water warm for a long time, we should reduce the rate of heat loss to surrounding. To make it possible, the stopper is made of plastic which is a poor conductor of radiation. Which helps to reduce heat loss by conduction and convection. Next, the foam is made of polystyrene 發泡膠 which is poor conductor of radiation. Or we say polystyrene is poor conductor of heat. Therefore, the rate of heat loss to surrounding can be reduced. Also, inside the foam, there are many tiny air bubbles 氣泡. Since air is a poor conductor of heat, therefore it also helps to reduce heat loss by conduction. Also, since the air particles are tiny 細粒, therefore it also helps to reduce heat loss by convection. The thermal flask stores cold liquid. The liquid can be kept cold for a period of time. Explain the use of the stopper, the insulated support, and the double-wall silvered glass. First, the insulated support is made of wood or plastic, which are poor conductor of heat. Therefore, it reduces the heat loss by conduction. Second, the stopper is also made of wood or plastic, which is again poor conductor of heat. Therefore, it helps to reduce heat loss by conduction. Also, the stopper also helps to reduce heat loss by convection. Because the hot air inside cannot transmit energy through convection to the outside. In between the double wall silvered glass, there is vacuum 真空 Since both convection and conduction needs a medium to propagate, therefore, the vacuum prevents heat gain from surrounding by conduction and convection. Therefore, no heat is gained by the cold water through conduction or convection. Also, inside the double wall, the glass is painted silvery color, 銀色. Since silver color is a poor absorber of radiation, therefore, the weight of radiation absorbed from the surrounding would be very small. As a result, the stopper, double-walled silvery glass, and the insulated support all helps to reduce the heat gain from surrounding. Therefore, the cold liquid inside the flask can be kept at cold for a long time. Question number 3. In a refrigerator, the refrigerant 雪種 is pumped to the icebox and takes thermal or heat energy out of the icebox. Explain how heat is removed from the icebox and explain why the fins are black in color and is bent in a coiled shape 彎嘅. When the refrigerants enter into the icebox, it evaporates 蒸發. During evaporation, the refrigerants change from liquid state to vapor state and absorb latent heat. The latent heat is absorbed from the air inside the icebox. As a result, the air temperature will drop. In this case, the icebox is cold. Then, the refrigerants in the vapor state will go down through the pipe and release its energy to the surroundings through the metal fins. Since black color is a good radiator of heat, therefore, the hot vapor will release heat to the surroundings at a faster rate. Also, the fins are in coiled shape to increase the total surface area. Okay? Increase the total surface area, which can also increase the rate of emission of radiation. Lastly, the fins are made of metal, which is a good conductor of heat. Therefore, the heat can be conducted at a faster rate to the surrounding. Question number 4. Two identical ceramic teapot, ceramic 陶瓷. One is black and the other is white in color. Explain which of these is better for keeping hot water warm and which one is better for keeping cold water cold. First, let's consider the case both pots stores hot water. Since ceramics is a poor conductor of heat, therefore both pots can have less heat loss by conduction. However, since black color is a better emitter of radiation, therefore the black pot will radiate heat at a faster way than that of the white pot. In this case, we have the white pot is a better pot for keeping hot water warm. Now, if both pots store cold water, since ceramic is a poor conductor of heat, therefore it also reduces heat gain by conduction from the surrounding. Since black color is a better absorber of radiation, therefore the black pot will absorb more heat from the surrounding by radiation than that of the white pot. As a result, the white pot is a better pot to keep cold water cold. As a conclusion, white pot is a better pot to keep hot water warm, and also it is better to keep cold water cold.